Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. Alright, so if you've got only the battery indicator and you'd like to see the exact percentage of the battery, simply enter the settings and then let's go to the notifications and control center. Then let's go to the status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the battery indicator, and I know that usually people will look for this option in the battery settings, but in this device it is right here, so it's quite hidden. So let's tap on the battery indicator, and as you can see, we've got three different options from which we can choose: the percentage inside the battery icon, which I've got applied next to the battery icon, so the percentage will be much more visible, or of course the battery indicator without anything. Of course, it's up to you which option like to set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.